Hi everyone, my name is Shuijing. I'm a postdoc at UT Austin and got my PhD from University of Illinois, Urbana-Champaign. Today I will give an overview of how robots learn to collaborate with humans and how these human-robot interactions can benefit learning. The robots we see today are often isolated from humans. And when they enter human spaces, the robots can exhibit undesirable behaviors, such as causing a traffic jam. Why? One key reason is the robot's failure to understand complex human behaviors, which leads to poor decisions and limited functionalities. To tackle this challenge, my research interest is cooperative robots that operate in diverse and human-populated environments. Within this scope, I focus on the following three thrusts: human intention prediction, spatial temporal reasoning, and continual adaptation. First, to assist humans, the robot needs to infer their intended tasks. Their intents can be expressed by various modalities, such as sound or teleoperation trajectories. To this end, my robot system exploits the synergies between the prediction and the planning modules, where the predicted intent sets the goal for the planner. By doing this, the robot can fulfill various user intents, such as turning off the TV, turning off the alarm, or grasping a screwdriver.
Pause music.
Second, for robots or vehicles to navigate among pedestrians, they need to reason about the multi-agent interactions through space and time. So I model the nuanced interactions as a spatial temporal graph. The graph is used to derive a structured policy network that achieves safe and social robot navigations after deployment. Finally, in the future, I'm interested in continual learning from non-expert users after the robot is deployed in our life. This is important for robots to customize to user preferences, such as grasping a toy from its head or its body. And it's also necessary for robots to learn new skills that matters to end users. Key research questions include how to collect this in situ feedback from daily interactions, as well as what's the fundamental learning paradigms for learning from such interactions. That's it. If you enjoyed my video, please like, subscribe, and leave comments. Thank you for watching.